Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open your Google account and go straight to security notifications to see the required action. Read the alert text carefully and note any suggested steps. Run the security checkup tool and review connected devices, app permissions, and saved passwords. Look for unknown devices and revoke access immediately if you see them. Verify recovery options by checking your phone number and recovery email for accuracy. If you suspect a compromise, remove unknown devices and change your Google password to a strong, unique phrase and characters, then sign out everywhere. After changing the password, revoke third-party app access and remove stale OAuth permissions that you no longer use. Check for saved app passwords and update or delete them for legacy applications. Enable two-step verification to add a security code requirement whenever you sign in. Create app-specific passwords for older mail clients or devices, and only keep them if necessary. Clear your browser cache and remove saved credentials, then retry the blocked action in a fresh session. Use an updated browser or the Google app and ensure cookies are enabled for sign-in flow. If Google temporarily restricts actions, wait 24 to 72 hours and avoid repeated failed attempts. Gather relevant screenshots, device names, and error messages before contacting Google support for account assistance. Submit the account recovery form with accurate recovery email and phone details when prompted.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.